Hello, hello! Today we are going to make a girl. Yes, this is a memory drawing and I'm very excited to do this. We see a girl on a swing. So let's see all the 3 steps and start making the girl. At first, let's make the rope which is in slanting line. We will make it slowly and accurately. After that, we will start making the side face of the girl and then the hair which is flying in the air. That's brilliant! Once we are done with that, let's make the t-shirt and then the hands which are holding the rope. Complete making the dress and then let the skirt be made. Make it slowly and nicely. And then make the legs as well. And after that, make the swing on which she is sitting. Finally, let's make her legs. Yes, which are joined to each other. Something like this. That looks wonderful. After this, let's start making the entire drawing fair. We are going to make these 2 lines so that we can show that our swing is in motion. Once we are done with that, let's make her facial features and then make the details of her jacket. That's brilliant! Let's make her other hand, which is grabbing the rope like this. Make it slowly and nicely. That's wonderful! Once we are done with that, we will start sketching the entire drawing. Use the tip of your sketch pen to sketch this. Do not make any mistake so that you can make your drawing look beautiful. Make all the intricate details with your sketch pen. Once we are done with the entire sketching, we are going to use our eraser and erase all the pencil marks we see. And after that comes the fun part. Let's color this together. We are going to take our green color and start with the rope. Well, yes, we will be using pencil colors for this one as we have a lot of intricate details to color. Let's take red color and do her rosy pink cheeks. And after that, let's do skin color on top of it. This looks very interesting, isn't it? Continue coloring all the parts which are skin in color. Yes, the body parts which are the hands, the legs, the neck if any, and the face. Put pressure on your color so that you can color this nicely. Let's take brown color for the swing now. And after that, let's take pink color or magenta color for this part. We are going to make the border a little darker than the entire skirt. To color the entire skirt dark, we are going to press our crayon on top of the paper. To have a lighter shade, we are going to release the pressure from the crayon and color it. Once we are done with that, let's change the color and start coloring the jacket. We are going to release the pressure and color it. That looks amazing. Let's use a little bit of magenta color and color on top of the red. This gives us a beautiful shade. Continue coloring this a little darker. That's lovely. We want this to be a little more darker. Hence, we will also use a little bit of brown on top of it. And now, let's use dark brown color for her hair. Make sure that you do the outline first and then color inside only in one direction. That looks pretty. Let's do the smile now. And look at that, our girl is ready.